As students, we will going to write a program on functions. So small program I will going to write. So that is area of a triangle. Just simple program for area of a triangle. We will going to write the area of triangle program. We will going to write. Just we will going to find the area of a triangle here. So this is main function. So we know that we have to create a new function, that is user defined function here. So that is what I will going to do. I will going to create a new function, that is void a triangle. Like I will give a name uh, a try. Okay, you take like this, area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle, like that function name. So just I will going to mention the function. Again, create a body for this area of a triangle. Here what I will going to do, I will going to introduce the variables. We know the formula, area of a triangle, length into breadth. Yes or not, length into breadth. So that I want to introduce the variable here, integer. Okay, length, comma, breadth, again I will going to calculate the area. Okay, so this is what I will want to do. So here, if you want, you can able to assign the values, no problem. So I will going to assign the values here only. So a is length is equal to 10. I will going to take. So breadth I will want to take something like 5. I will want to take. So area I will leave as it is. Okay. So here what I will want to do, just I wanted to calculate the area. That is the reason why I will want to mention area. Area is equal to, so length into breadth. So this is our formula, just I given here. Okay, so here when you take those two values, it will be calculated length into breadth. Again you will going to get the answer in area, that is integer. So if you get that, so immediately I wanted to print this one. That's why printf percentage d, because it is an integer, comma, again. So here I will want to write like area of triangle is equal to percentage d. This is here area. Okay, fine, with semicolon. So you can able to see I given the values 10 and 5. So 10 into 5, 15. Okay, so we will going to get the area in terms of integer. Again, what I will going to do, I will going to call this function in the main function. So that is what area function name, that is area of a triangle. Just I will want to mention here area of a triangle with semicolon. So this is my calling function. Okay, here you have to make like this forward declaration. That is what you have to do. So void, I'm not returning anything, that's the reason why void area of triangle with semicolon. So let me compile this. If any error occurs, I think no errors. So I have called the function here. So just I will going to run here. So you can able to see area of a triangle is equal to 50. Okay, sorry, 10 5 is 50. Okay, so area of a triangle is 50. Fine. So this is how you are going to write the functions. Like this also you can able to write it. Otherwise there is another type for this function. You can able to do this in another way. See what I do here in this program. So this is one type. Another type also you can able to execute this same program. So instead of providing the values, declaring the variables over here. Instead of this, what I will going to do, I will going to remove these variables from here. Just I will going to declare the area over here. So in the main function, what I will going to do, I will going to just pass the parameters to the main function, that is length and breadth. So I will going to make it as an integer, both are. So finally you give semicolon here. So these are the variables you can able to see, length and breadth. So length and breadth. So I will going to pass these variables in the area of triangle calling function as a parameters. Basically these one we will call it as actual parameters. Length, comma, breadth. Okay, so what are the values I will going to take, that is 10 and 5, that will be passed to the area of a triangle in the calling function, that is length and breadth. So here if you want to take these values, you have to create a formal parameters here, formal parameters, that is type is integer. So that is length, how to mention length, comma, again integer, right. Okay, so this one you need to understand. Okay, so now it will going to copy from here. So whatever the value you have given, that is 10 for length, again breadth for 5, again those 10 copied to length, again breadth is copied to breadth. Here you can able to see here, you can keep it as like this, no problem. If you want it, you can able to change it, no problem. So if you want, you can able to declare here, if you want it like a, or breadth is b, like that. If you want, you can pass like L, and you can pass like this B, no problem in that. So these values, A value as well as B value, that will be copied over here. Again these copied values will be calculated over here, again it will be printed. Again one more important thing we have to do here, so when you doing this one, you are returning a integer. So that time you need to be very careful. Okay, so that is the reason why you have to mention here integer. So you are returning the integer, that's the reason. So here you need to mention like this integer. So no need to mention the variable, not necessary. Data type is important. Integer, we are passing two variables, that's fine. Two data types, integer data type, that is the reason. You can see here. So let me compile this. So sorry, integer int. Okay, compile this. So area of a triangle, we have a little bit problem over here. We can see this one, undeclared. Sorry, that is a. Okay, so just we missed. Again, we have to mention the integer over here. See, we can able to get the answer. So this is another type. This is one more type. You can able to execute the program area of a triangle. So according to your convenience, you should execute the program. So this is how you can able to execute. Thank you very much.